Refueling is in progress. You are requested to remain seated with your seatbelt unfastened.
Gangster, huh?
Gangtok.
Okay, welcome back to another vlog. So we are in Gangtok. So yesterday we landed in Bagdogra and we hired 2 bikes from Himalayan Explorer. Pretty good bikes. So Siliguri, we have taken the bikes. So they were saying Siliguri bikes, if we have to go to Lachung, we have to exchange the bikes somewhere here. So we are going to exchange the bikes today and further go to Lachung today. And Lachung is closed because of the floods which happened last year, and it's still not open, and the city itself is abandoned from October, looks like. So yeah, let's see what all is open. And yesterday night we stayed at this hotel, name I'll post it here. Very good welcome they have done, and decent place. Taken a tour package from Northeast Tourers, and they had done everything for us, the planning and all, and room booking and all that. So yeah, we are good with the room. First place where we stayed. Okay, and this is the place where we are going to exchange the bikes.
His name is Baba Harbhajan Singh. He used to be the soldier. In 1971, so there was this war, Indo-China war, and at that time our defense was not that strong. Yes. So when you reach Nakula, you will see after the check post, Indian check post, it has been taken by Chinese. Okay, you'll see the check post. So after that, only this Baba, he was dead already, but then again he keeps on doing his duty. He makes the soldiers by slapping.
Oh yeah.
This is just a story. I don't know whether.
And also, like they say that in dreams or something, he will come and he will give some information. All these things. Okay.
Can you see China? Yeah. You will see Chinese soldier as well. But they will Nakula Pass. But they will not shake hands. Even we will not shake hands with them.
Here,
Yeah. So here you will see Chinese soldiers. So previously there was this. They used to do this recce stop. No, there was this
line.
LOC, somewhat like that. So they used to keep doing recce all the time, and usually this near. They are very young and like good gears also, no?
Yes, they are good.
Good army gears, young, smart.
We are also very nice, man.
But then again, not second for us to acclimatize. Because here what happens is, in just 2.5 hours, you will reach 14,000 feet from 5,500 feet. But here you can you are just gradually figured out. So here
But this is open now?
So, but I have not applied for the pass as of now.
Okay.
Because if it closed, then it's gone, no? I'll see. So crossing our fingers.
We'll start?
Let it get open.
Yep.
Thank you. Bye. Very nice.
Thank you.
Same here. So where is the nearest fuel station?
Just nearby.
So here is the situation. So looks like we are not allowed to mount the GoPro after the first check post, that is about 50 kilometers from here, or 50-60 kilometers from here. The reason being it's all restricted area, so we might not be able to fly our drone as well there, but we'll see if we can take few videos with the cell phone and post them there. The recommendation is to keep the GoPro inside the bag and not to take any videos. I don't know, like if they allow with the cell phones, why not a GoPro? Okay, so that's what it is, and we got the bikes exchanged. They gave another bike which is Sikkim registered. So now we are going to Lachung, which is about 120 kilometers from 80 to 120 kilometers, I think 120. I'll put the right number.